we are creating a signature photography logo. Yes, it's going to be a very simple design and a quick one. So we are going to remove these text bars and set our image size to YouTube thumbnail as usual. Then quickly we're going to be importing the shape we need for the design. Import the shape, something like this. We add some radius. Great. Okay, I'm gonna duplicate this. I duplicate this, and we have something like this. Are we there? Then I go over to merge and merge the two shapes together. Okay, I copy, I reduce the size, I center this original, give it the color of black, the original still. I give it a black color. Then go over to the copy, center it to. Okay, import another shape. Click OK. I rotate this. I bring it here. Are we there? So I'm gonna duplicate the three items together. I'm gonna merge the three items. Click OK. Go to remove color and remove color. Then I go over and copy it, center the original as usual. Go to the copy and center it too. But before that, I'm gonna go back to the remove color, erase color, and smoothen it, smoothen the original too by increasing the tolerance. So I'm gonna center this copy now. Then I merge the two together. Good. So the next thing is to import the other shape we'll be needing for this design. The circle. I give it black color. Click OK. Copy. Give the color of the copy to white. Give it a white color. Reduce the size. Trying to center the original. Center the copy. Merge the two of them together. Go to erase color. Erase color, increase the tolerance to 17. Then reduce the size of this. Reduce the size of this. Then center it using relative position. It's time to merge our camera. Good. We've merged. Now we have something that looks like a camera, an icon for our camera. The next thing is to write the name of our logo, which is Olamu Photography. Olamu Photography. So I go over to text. Olamu. Click OK. I'm going to add some spacing before the name because of the font I want to use. So I increase the size. Go over to font style. Scroll down. Scroll down to pick my fonts. Here we are. Okay, beautiful. Beautiful. Yeah, I go to texture, enable it and set to text. This is good. I click OK. I go to the camera icon, add a texture to it. Great. I go to texture and enable it, add some scaling and click OK. It is time to add a background to the design. I'm gonna drag to fill the canvas and I send to back. Beautiful. So I add some touches to the name Olamu. Remember the name is Olamu Photography. So I'll reduce the depth to 4 or 3. 3 should do. And increase this darken to 100%. Add a little rotation, X rotation, say 7. That's okay. So I reduce the depth to 3, increase darkness to 100%. add some rotation, X rotation, click OK. Click OK. So we add the second name, which is photography, by clicking the allow mode to duplicate it, and we write the name photography. Photography, right? I go to size, reduce the size, go to font style. I'm going to be using Roboto black or Roboto bold for this. Roboto bold. I click OK. I drag here. I reduce the size a little bit again. 25 should do. I go to letter spacing and add some letter spacing to this. So after adding the second name, which is the photography, we reduce the size of the icon, the camera icon, reduce the size a bit, and send it to front. Great. And we are done with our design. So the next is to simply go to save and save to our gallery in ultra quality. It renders and saves to the gallery.